Stop for a second. Quick question. Do you say he don't like coffee? Or do you say he doesn't like coffee?
And what about this one? I don't be tired. Does that sound correct to you?
If you're not 100% sure, stay with us. In the next few minutes, we are fixing the most common simple present mistakes beginners make.
And in the middle of this lesson, we will show you one huge trap with the verb to be that many learners never notice.
By the end of this video, you will form negative sentences clearly and confidently. Welcome back to Everyday English Channel, where English is simple, practical, and real.
This is episode 3 of our beginner tense course. Today we learn how to make negative sentences in the simple present correctly.
Let's start with action verbs like work, drink, play, like. For I, you, we, and they, we use do not or don't. I don't drink tea. You don't wake up early. They don't work on Sunday.
Very simple. Now listen carefully. For he, she, and it, we use does not or doesn't. He doesn't drink coffee. She doesn't wake up early. It doesn't work.
Notice something important. The verb after don't or doesn't goes back to the base form.
Mistake number 1, double S. Here's a very common mistake. Many learners say he doesn't likes coffee.
That is wrong. After doesn't, the verb must be normal. We say he doesn't like coffee, not likes.
Why? Because the S already moved to does. The S lives inside doesn't. One S is enough.
Let's compare. He likes coffee. He doesn't like coffee. See the difference? The S disappears from the main verb.
Mistake number 2, forgetting does. Here's another mistake. Some learners say she not work on Sunday. He not like milk.
In English, we need do or does to make negative sentences with action verbs. Correct sentences are, she doesn't work on Sunday. He doesn't like milk.
We cannot skip does. It is necessary.
Now, here is the big trap we mentioned at the beginning. Listen carefully. Is this correct? I don't be tired.
No, that is wrong. For the verb to be, am, is, are, we do not use don't or doesn't.
We simply add not. I am not tired. He is not a doctor. They are not at home.
Remember this rule clearly. Use don't and doesn't for action verbs. Do not use them with the verb to be.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I don't drink tea.
I don't drink tea.
He doesn't drink tea.
He doesn't drink tea.
We don't work on Saturday.
We don't work on Saturday.
She doesn't work on Saturday.
She doesn't work on Saturday.
Now, try this one. I am not tired.
I am not tired.
He is not busy.
He is not busy.
Pause the video and say them again. Confidence comes from repetition.
Now your turn. Write one negative sentence about your daily routine in the comments.
For example, I don't drink coffee, or she doesn't wake up early, or even, I am not a morning person.
Be careful with that little s, and be careful with the verb to be.
We are reading your comments, and we will reply to help you improve.
Remember, mistakes are normal. They are part of learning.
Speak a little today.
Speak a little tomorrow.
And you will see the difference. See you in episode 4 right here on Everyday English Channel.